clear tu te chibai ule tuna hian Don Bosco School Longtlaya kan omleka headline mun hi Mizoram State Level Science Exhibition nei na hunania headline han district rang school no pangte local khomin science lama until zirte model rang te display in demonstration ten nei dona boini hanin room ranga fangkwalin kan no pangte thil siam chwate kan han thlir ho don ani Ole hei tu na hian Don Bosco School now pangte project hydraulic crane kan han endona hian hei until siam hi lo ro pui em ya ti han no pangte hi enge engineer function kan han zo don ya ma sign iming min shilla
Margaret nei pui
o enti hemi hydraulic crane hi entia operator nge min han explain sakta che
imo JCB ang tabi kha ni via englo syringe le pipe ven manga operate kan siam na khanya cha sian ni mo a charok to lo wa model hi tian a control ve thaya cha operate ve thaya cha
tui mang khan pressure khan control te na ni mo
tui cha air mang poi kan model hi charok to lo ni mi cha so to khanya a operate
ole kha he athale me tihanin tui mangin pressure mangin tihan he me JCB ang do crane kha an operate ani ro puile me do sakna kan hlan chawa
le kilome
he ta han ngur nun sang English school no pangten oman project he kan han pe chiang do nanga o pa sai imin min chila
ben dona kania
o ti chon in project he nge akal phung min han chiro
important of clean community dikhania khotla 5 point je tilan na khania hey an mo tan hey urban area ang tiang khai khopui ang ve ha ka semta hey ang tinge khopui mi tian selem tu chunin hey an chevel de ka cheng lim em ma ha kan alo an chevel thin na ka chui hey melo thosi vel the ha hey an pung wa ka wa kan mixing se tu ponam lo wa kha khanin ati se hey sian la kong ta wa pui ta tlang ti pa ka chuin hey le la ma chuin hey an te kan muangin hey rural area ha kan siama rural area mi te chunga tinge an selave mo ti chunin hey an chevel te po hi angai poi molwa hey an cheng lo ta hey tu tianga hey khotang file wan da ka jun tu ro suruan de kan tu hok bal de ka tinga tu hok bal kha chun thosi te ka tu em boxia ha kan malaria te kha mi pui te la ka thena mai tiang rural area mi ten urban area mi ang tia theli man du kha chonin hey an kong pui te fai ta ka tia an ten fire chon hian an cheve ya ching phun vel than wara tia an ka cho environment as ta ke pui nga ching tam po sal the fa do na
ole he ngur nun sangi English school no pangten urban setting le rural setting mangin ta hian display moi takan lo chhop chhuwa ka cleanliness poi mo ziaron talan nan no pangten an thia mang tokin he an demonstrate pa in an thil ti lai de kha kan clear hawani lo mam khop me he kabula hian ta hianin a whole school principal Father Babu Stephen Oma zonatlem kan zo tanga so we are about to witness a mega event for students and science lovers so how do you feel being a part of being the host of this event?
In the first place, we are fortunately happy to have hosted this entire program here. It's a privilege given to Don Bosco School Longtlai to organize this program, and the trust that the entire administration had on the Don Bosco School, and we have gone out of our comfort zone in order to prepare maximum to provide a better facility for all the people, especially those of you who are organizing this program, and we are happy with the way in which we are prepared well for hosting this entire program. And I'm sure all those who have come here for this program, they are also happy the way in which we are prepared and accommodated and everyone for this wonderful program here at Longtlai.
So can you tell me how many students from across the state are participating and how many models do we have inside?
Almost all the districts are taking part in this program, and around 120 models have been displayed in different classrooms of our school. And I think from every district, one school is selected, and from each school there are 5 models are being represented. And I was told that from Longtlai itself there are 14 schools are being represented, and each school is also bringing about 5 to 6 models. And so that comes around 120 to 130 models are being displayed, and it's all different, innovative one, creative one, and students have gone out of their way in order to prepare the best models that are possible, and that is being displayed here for the exhibition here.
ole khalo hle me district sang sang atang students participation a thale a ti chuanin model po chi sang sang Longtlai district chung atanga school te po in school khatin model pani pathum te an ron display thezel ni. So let's hope this event will instill a scientific temper and new aspirations to the students of Longtlai district.
That's what we also pray for, that everyone who comes for this program will be motivated and they will be also pushed forward in order to bring about new models and a kind of interest that is being cultivated in the minds of Longtlai students with regard to science and mathematics and also environmental studies. This exhibition that is being organized here should in a way motivate our students in Longtlai, and they will be able to stand up with the rest of the state and they will be able to say that we have achieved something for ourselves here. And I also pray that everything goes on well, and thanks to all the organizers who have taken this trouble of bringing it at Longtlai and also especially in Don Bosco's Longtlai. Thank you and God bless you.
Yeah, we congratulate you for being the whole school and wish you all the best for the day.
Thank you so much for that.
He ta hianin government region no pangte chemistry lampang extraction of alkaloid from neem the demonstration and ron nei do na amasai ni ming menshila
as vanalian moi class 10 July
o ti chuanin hei ithil ti vela hi min han demonstrate sakta che
o ni machanga damdoi alkaloid lak chwada na nia atir bera chuan ni ma hi o lokino hei assemble ania assemble hi tian kan danga ni ma chu thatakin ana kha ana changte achi changte chuan akor changte khan kan la theya khatiang kan lak sa kha thatakin kan chan dipanga kan chan dip sa kha bi kara ti hian kan danga chuan dilute ethanol le distilled water in kan mix anga kan mix sa chu tiang hian kan filter anga chuan kan filter nan hian filter paper huatmen filter paper number 1 care man turania chuan kan filter zo vector nuwa khan hian alo omanga chuan hei hi hydrochloric acid le dilute hydrochloric acid care le acetone kan ti tel turania kan tel ton huwa khan kan filter chaliang ngatinge kan filter reng kan ti chuan I afim zo ka thiang nim zo ka lo chua zel theina na nia chuan kan filter ton huwa khan tian ai chu experiment na ni wangin achan ve a equal volume a ratio in ang che in kan la ang a ha fi heta ka filter sa nim tui ka filter sa khania chuan achan ve le hi chu ethanol heta I hei dilute ethanol kan ti zu hi ania chuan tian burner kan hi charanga ma se a hi chu hi tlem na rei do hlaka darkar khat emotal a chebera hi turania achan chu I hydrochloric acid kan tela le acetone kan tela kha a huwa khan a chuak vek turania a residues adam doi kan tu kha chu tlem te a chuak don achan chu khatia kan ti chwa vek lo chon acid kan tela kha kan tak satan khan alo hlom theya chu wang chuan kan chuang nge turania chuan kan chuan zo khan ti khan in thei mai ke mani na kan self protection na tan acha
ani khami medicine in extract kha enga ta na man ching emi soile the
o appetizers kan ti choi ti tuinan te cha chuan antiviral kan tia nat na shik laka changa hei kan immune system ti chak tu tan acha boka chuan antifidin kan ti boka antifidin chu kan thai chin ran nung chi sang lakin laka changa kan ven him theina I insecticide kan ti ang dau laka spray chi ang hi nia chuan hypertension kan ti BP sang len hiam hei thing thei ve nan te po a chalu tuka chuan insect repellent kan tia a mai ro chu insect repellent tan chei chuan hetia song bolu tu po ngai shan lau I ana to phi phau ro wila chuan hal mai la a hu kha inkila emo a khu kha daila chuan kha khu khan ran nung kha not kyang thei
ole alom hle me kha government region high school no pangte atangin ni matanga damdor chi sang le man thei ang chi sang an song bol dan kan han ngai tha lom hle me du sak na kan lan chewa
okay ni pok lo me
ole hei tu na han downtown english school no pangte project kan han en le do na hei ro pui mu bum hle me ya khongin ei project he englam pange min chel the
Hei Barbie scientific summer home ania hemina thil tum chu mantlom si tlau si samhar si lava in chung ti de dan ni chuan kan sha tur chu borak lum chu chunglama oma borak vot chu hnailama oma chu borak vot hnailama om chu hemi in chung ti de han kan hang don ni chuan hetelma han enila ti chuan kanin bulvela khan lei kan lai khwaranga fit nga bela zaw kan lai anga fit kwa ve thu kan lai anga aya lian le zaw po theya a tha zoka ti chuan kan le khwar monga chuan borak vot le ri chu tlingkhom dona chu borak vot le ri tlingkhom chu fen mangin he pipe mang hian in chunga han kan chem lu don ni chuan ta khwan fen kan vo a khu fen khu borak khip zongin kan vo anga ti chuan in chunga hian fen dang kan vo le a chu fen chu borak pe chak zongin kan vo a chuan lein hnuaia borak vot chu fen mang chuan a chem lu don ni
a chem lu dan kha fen kha han operate chin te ti them
oh hey tilama chuan he fen mang hian in le hnuaia borak vot om te kha fen borak khip zong kan wa khan heta chem lu ta ni
Male kha thale me he downtown English school now pangten sen so claim zo kin mani poina in chung khora kan ti ve the tur borak vot le lai khwar mangte nan han siama ani le project a han tunge poise
saropia
ro puile me do sakna kan hlan cheu a
kala me
ole he kabula hian SCERT lama kan ho tu te puev la lian sanga science consultant omega hemi chungchanga hemi tuna science exhibition kan nei meka hian engamo zo tur poimo te kan han zo tanga o ma sa inga pu hetianga SCERT ina buat sai chaudana khatle ma zong min han shilangin
o science exhibition hemi state level hi kumtin in district khopoya kan nei thina chu hemi rotation in kan nei thina amaro chu ton na hian longtlaya hian in kan nei jing ta dewa chan chu hi educational campaign pakhat atana kan du awanga ti kan ni
ta hianin lom man te khawm don ne mentin nge ram han ne ten siam khamin han chile langin
o lom man hi hemi sub team paruka kan thena tuna kan thupuya hi science technology mathematics for nation building ti ania athupuya hi kan chumi chu a main theme ania a hnuaya hianin sub team paruk akal lea chumi sub team paruka chon loman hi pakhat na tanga pathum na kan sema aum je chu loman som pariat aum don ti na nia tin hemi zirtir tu in pek na awanga he exhibition hi hlotling ani thena wang hian zirtir tu te tan hian incentive siam ve kan duwa ta chuanin zirtir tu tan hian best guide teacher kan thanga so da son guide teacher te tan hian in loman kan siama chu ton ruma hin mi panga hne na pe kan tum bokani
lomom hle me ti khan he voina khelaya kan thir tura hianin no pangte na an zirlai tangan thiam thil tak tak te an ron pho chhuak don ania hetiang hun tha kan nei thei te hi lomom kan ti hle a nangdi po SCERT te in kan zel na tura do sakna kan hlana chu
keni po kan lom tak zet ani keni po
ole he hetlaya hian hei aizol lama tang St Paul's Higher Secondary School now pangte hanron kal wangwang meya ta hianin hei project interesting tak me explain turan neya kan hanzo first can you tell me your name please
My name is Carlos Lerinsana.
so can you explain me what your project is all about
My project is production of single cell proteins. It means its main aim is to utilize vegetable waste without just throwing them into the garbage, and also to satisfy the shortage of protein-rich food for animal and human feed. As we know, the human population increases, and the increasing population led to the search for protein-rich food, but the available protein is not sufficient for every human being. So my project has the potential to solve that problem. So firstly, we take a vegetable waste. This can be of any type, like biodegradable waste, like peppers also can be used. So I wash it with sulfuric acid and distilled water, and after I wash them, I grind them, and that produce the liquid in them, and I mix them with distilled water again, and after that I put inside an autoclave. An autoclave is a machine that works like the pressure cooker. It is at high temperatures, it can make the pressure constant, so I sterilize them using the autoclave. All the microorganisms are dead, so after they are dead, I transfer them into a new pre-sterilized conical flask, and to that I add fungi culture. We use rhizobus here, and after we mix the two solution, we put it inside an incubator. An incubator is a machine which can produce constant temperature, and it is an airtight. So when we put it inside an incubator and we turn on the incubator, the temperature rises up, and we stop at 28 degrees Celsius, and When we stop at 28 degrees Celsius, it produces a moisture that increase all the growth rate and other production rate of the fungi. So the fungi absorb all the nutrients from the waste, and they started growing and they form a white colony. So after they form a white colony, we filter them using Wetman filter paper number 1, and after that we dry the filter paper inside an oven, and the mycelium is obtained, and that mycelium is used for animal feed, and also for further process it can be used for making medicines.
Oli kha St. Paul's no pang school no pang ten an explain ang khan biodegradable waste kan ti chome ang chi te troi thei thil re renga tanga protein lak chwa animal feed ran cho ta na songbol thiang hlim dan incubator mang te a songbol thiang hlim dan an ron lan ti rani. Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Lai hian downtown English School no pangten disaster management lam hoin project an lo buat saya kan han zor fiale lo kanga. Can you demonstrate how your project works?
This is a model of a disaster management. Every village or town may meet a man-made or natural disaster someday. It is inevitable. Disaster may be earthquake, landslide, or other man-made disaster. To prevent the worst thing that could happen in our society, we need to take preventive measures. Here in this model, we have an open space and an information center fitted with solar cell, which is constructed here in case there is an emergency or accidental power shutdown. Then, during disaster or emergency, horrified or panicked people would gather here in this field to prevent the worst that happen. Then this information center will inform the people to gather here in this field during the disaster. Then a rescue team or disaster response team must be organized in a society. This team must be consisted of the youth and experienced people to be able to have a proper rescue operation. Then a water reservoir is constructed at the highest point of the area. Upper half of this water is for domestic consumption and another half is for emergency during outbreak of fire. Then emergency water outlet is constructed at different places. This water outlet is equipped with a long water hose which could reach every corner of this area. This water outlet will be useful for fighting the fire.
Kha lo am le me hetla hianin hian model display atang hianin chhiat rup na lo thlen thula rangzo ka che thena turin le mi pui himjok thena turin ania ta hianin he aurin na center te anda ti chuanin heta field ta hatia anga rescue team te na rangzo ka man lak thena turin an ron duang chwa ka ni lo mam hle me. So wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Only he hetlaya hian Colosseum Lamatang St. John's High School no pangte hanron kala ti chuan he until ron display tur hi automatic school belania kan hanzor fialo kang entin nge intil ron siam chwa hi han min explain sakla.
Hey, tuna ka model sami ka iron swing ka automatic school belania. Hey, electrical audio signal kan tiri na pek chwa signal himo mechanical energy and siam thaya chumi mang chuan ni hemi circuit hi model hi kan siam ta hey computer tuna hian laptop nen kan connect ta computer te mobile te po man thei veka chuanin ma se ta chuan hey application time setting na ang hi kan download anga time hey school bell first bell ari khun second bell ari khun kha kan set lock chewanga khami kha e hemi circuit nen hian khami mobile mo laptop kha kan connect anga chuanin a time dikta ka khanin tia va me bai ngai lawin hemi hi hemi bel anta aron ri top don hey tunlai a chuanin school ate college ate po back in ate po hey dar riturin mi kan ti buai na sa to pa khatyang ni thailo khan tyang hi ol samjong la kan siam
Ti chuan inset hun ang zela khanin ama khanin aron zel to me don ti na ni mo han ti ri chin tia
tuna han hey dar a time 0 set bet hemo tuna 11:60 na 11:20 ala set tai la mo 11:20 tak khan tia bel pa nga super press bai nga hi khatyang kher lo khanin hemi a hi chuan a hun dik taka khanin automatic in hei aron ri kha top don hei tuna dar so khale som ni rik ma yan minute ni le minute thum don aw ma shem kami kha minute thum zo a khan a hun dik taka khan aron ri don so hemi switch kan wa ta hei chu emergency atan thut hei a umbe the emergency tyang a hianin hemi switch kan wa tel ta hemi chu emergency tin ni wang hei press bel anga ya tai chuan press ngai lo
hey St. John's no pangte practical demonstration kha ti khan aron rime ka ti khan heta hianin laptop mang hian time khan set loka ti chuanin kha asan pa bel me ngai to lo khanin automatic khan ama ina ron rita ni kan lo me a
Okay, pwede.
ole kabulami hi pi zo mingliani ania ani hi SCERT deputy director ania mem hetia anga hun students ta na science level state level science exhibition in buat sa hero pui kan te mema kha in han buat sai dan kal chawa khat lema zong min han chil se
science level hemi science exhibition hi kum sang ka chakwa somsari pakwa tangkhan kan nei chan to amo kum tin kan ne tun hi avai somthum pasari na nia school no pangte tangin model tun kuma hianin somsari vel kan han be se ma se kan rin ain atla tha niang somriat kan ne ya chung te chu kan team Puiber Science, Technology and Mathematics for Nation Building di Nwaya nia chumi Nwaya chuan sub team paruk kan neya chunga tangchain anron nei ania hi hetilaya ti tha te hi mi som pani model som pani khan chwa turania chung te chu Eastern Science Fair Kolkata anei tura khan chwa ania
ole lo omle me kha he kan thil ton me ka hi a hlotling ni pona siata model som sari velin be saila ya somria lai ron om he lom omle me tro te chuanin no pangte nan ya scientific temper te aspiration tharte an nei kha ke ni pon kan du sakhlia ta chuanin SCERT lam ho tu te ni na tangin zirlai no pangte tan enga mo thu cha min han soi sak ve reng lagin
ni no pangte hian science lam panga hian an tui chho kan dua chuwanga hemi hanbwa sai po kan nia chuwang chuanin no pangte hianin science lama an tui chowa scientific attitude tha an nei chho theinan do sakna ka hlana an mangai to na po hetiang zonga an man chho zel na turin kacha do ani chu ni de mai ra se
ale ke ni po kan lom hle me SCERT ten kal zel na tora do sakna kan hlan chewa
ole ke pale
Peter here is going to show us the practical demonstration of his project. Peter, can you explain how your project works?
This air compressor. Air compressor is a device which is used for pressure in the air by compression. This tank stores the air pressure. It absorbs the air pressure from here and it stores the energy. As you know, gas and air, their intermolecular forces is very less. They expand very easily. For example, if the gas is leaked from one corner, you can smell it from a far distance. Because that is due to the less intermolecular forces between the gas and air molecules. And this one also, when it absorbs the air, it tries to expand. But in the step 2, when this puts like this, the pressure inside the tank block the holes by using thin sheets of plastic. And due to that block, the air can't escape from where it enters. And it tries to expand and it converts its kinetic and potential energy into pneumatic energy. Pneumatic energy means just the energy operated by air or gas under pressure. And the energy operated can be used for like this aquarium, for pumping ball, for pumping wheel and all.
What is the practical use of the air compressor?
Air compressor is commonly used in automotive industry where they make the vehicles, tire wash, they use for pumping wheel and all.
Ole lo omle me he air compressor an ron siam chwaka he a practical use a chang kha soyang khan tire pump dante aquarium aten mang thina ne lo omle me so wish you all the best.
Thank you, miss.
Tuna he South Point School now pangte lungzar tum khwa atangin anron kala ta hanin ram hul dam doi chi sang sang anron display do na kan han zot fialo kanga o min han explain role
ram hul dam doi chi sang sang ta langa mi zo dam doi yang si man nei lawan le thi chi ni ani so panga tai ka lo sia ka he lo sia ta so ama sabela kol dai heta amana chi sang hei ahang le tuiten chu imbo kan thi polanga imbol nan kan manga chu malaria venan te ania apan hina chu thuam riat hi anhai tuinen kan mix anga oil nen te kan mix anga chu beng na ti nan chuan chon tua
mizo dam doi chi sang sang kha ahming in han soi langin
chon tua violent lo mai pol kum thuang lambak sonin phuin ham dol ai lai dum ai eng so thing sun tu japan lo le sai siak
ole kha ram mizo ina ram hul dam doi kan nei chu sang sang te ron soya ti khan khang i soi ho kha ahman na atang kai na kha atlang puin han soi le langin
atang kai so chen su ko thalo senten te chen kat kha asma lakai ven na te beng na lakai ven na te suan thi ti top nan thi sen suak ti top nan ten tlang pui
ole kha lo bam hle me mizo te ina ram hul dam doi chi sang sang kan nei te le ahman tang kai na te lungzar tum lama tangin South Point School no pangten anron enti rani lo bam hle me kan lo me a
kai pole
mi fan hi tan da direct ta ula nge dan lo la tan eng man da si lo kai bo ro kal kal te kal ko ho ta ro mi tan da direct ta ula da direct ka je chu ka ani chu ta ko te ta ka fa chu ma da